It's hotter than the gates of fucking hell in here.
Boys, we're on fire tonight. Let's give them a fire-ass hot show. Bring the heat.
Jesus fucking Christ. I'm laying in bed again, melting from the heat, sweating from my head down to my feet. I'm melting down, about to combust. It's so fucking hot. Air conditioning is a must.
Shut all the windows, baby. Turn on the goddamn air. Honey, it's chill for tonight.
Like we've got air conditioner money. Melting down, about to combust. It's so fucking hot. Air conditioning is a must. I can't take the heat, but I'm sleeping in the kitchen. Just turn on the air, and I'll stop bitching. Don't give me no sass, I'm tired of the sweat dripping down my ass.